Welcome back to Andres Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see your liked videos on Pinterest. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Pinterest, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Pinterest doesn't have a dedicated section specifically for liked videos, like some other social platforms that you have been using. However, you can still find videos that you have interacted with through a few methods that we are going to explore because, for example, your like videos reflect your interests and trends over time. And of course, reviewing them helps you understand your evolving preferences and if you're working on a project, right? Or seeking new ideas, your like videos can serve as a source of inspiration. Now, I'm going to type in travel videos. For example, going Arlberg Pass Road in Austria. Let me check that. You see the heart icon at the bottom left? If you click that, obviously you're gonna be liking this. Love. It's not like love at all. And I'm going to check this one. I'm gonna heart it as well. Now for me to be able to see my liked videos, or as the platform says, loved, all I have to do is hover down here at the bottom right corner where you can see your boards or Pinterest. I need you to click on the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and go to home feed tuner. All right, now what it does is you can see the details of the Pinterest uses to recommend ideas, and details won't be shown publicly. That means these are your recent activity here on Pinterest, right? Now, for example, this one, if you check on it, that was the video that we have heart or loved earlier, right? So you would be able to see the videos that you like in the past that can help you track your personal or professional growth by reflecting on how your taste and interest have changed over time. Because checking your like videos here can help you stay organized, inspired, and connected to the content that has been valuable to you. You can always revisit like videos to explore related content or discover more about a particular topic, enhancing your understanding and engagement. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.